welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product unboxings and unopenings. Today I'll be reviewing this Lily Jade purse. Oh yeah, it's a drawstring bag, so you can put your purse in a purse when you travel to keep it nice and clean and safe. Ooh, the leather feels so nice, really nice and flexible, and it's the perfect size. Phone will probably fit like, depending on how big it is, you know, like probably to here. It's definitely like the perfect size. So number one, you can see that it comes with a chain, right? Something special that it comes with is this thing. All right, so this thing over here is basically what can turn your purse into a clutch. It's like the perfect size, you know, as a clutch like that. Or if you want to do something a little bit different, hook this on and then it can have, you know, you can actually have a handle on it and then you can bring your purse around. Ooh, it's a tassel. It's a leather tassel. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what's inside. All right, so we have several different aspects of this. So number one, different spots for your cards, open spot to separate whatever is in your main zippered pocket. You don't want to lose maybe like cash. So the pocket goes almost all the way down. There's probably about like an inch or so of space. Perfect size, at least for me and whatever I bring. I like to be very minimalistic about it. So I like that it's purely just front and back logo right there. I was wondering where it was. Of course, you can also use it as a cross string bag. So very versatile, hits you perfectly at your waist. You can also adjust this purse to be shorter as well. So there are two more notches, 1 and 2 if you can see, or longer too. If you want to purchase this purse or any of their other products, go ahead and check out the link below. And if you like product unboxings, make sure to subscribe because I do a lot of those, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay? All right, bye.